Alright, so welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. And as you can see from the thumbnail, I will be applying my second dose of humic acid. And yes, this time I got the 1 gallon bottle. Like I said, it's been 2 weeks ago since I actually applied the first dose of humic acid, so I want to pick up where we left off at. I'm going to take this yard and I'm going to apply humic acid on it the whole year just to see how it turns out, to make sure everything is going well. And I want to see if it's going to actually help my soil soften up and what it's going to do for my grass going forward. So this is going to be a quick little video. Let's take a look at the grass and then we'll come back. We'll spread down this GS plant food organic liquid humic acid. Stay tuned. Alright, so check it out. We're at the top of the deck here, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how the yard is looking. This is from the top of my deck, like I said, and everything is turning out really well. The yard filled in and thickened up very nicely, and it's really green. I don't know if the camera is actually showing how it really look, but what I see every day, this is the view I look at when I stand on top of my deck here, and I just look from left to right. But as you can see, remember I had the bare spots over here in the corner? Well, see, they actually filled in very, very nicely. You just got to give it time. Sometimes the grass seed is a little bit, like I said, slow bloomers. And sometimes, some grass seed actually germinate very fast, and some take they're very slow. So just got to give it time. You don't want to go ahead and start throwing down more grass seed. Just give it a little bit of time, and then you just monitor it week by week and see if you see anything sprouting. I seen little grass seeds actually sprouting. Well, grass was sprouting, and so I knew I didn't need to actually throw down any more grass seed. But this is what I look at. See the back corner, it filled in. But I just wanted to give a top overview. Hopefully it is actually showing up how I view it. But let's get back into the yard. Alright, so just check it out. That was the top view. Now this is a bottom view. I want to get you up on nice little close up. I got a little debris in the yard, but that's from that tree hanging above. I got to get a lot of these trees clipped this year. As soon as my guy is ready to work, they're gonna go ahead and clip these trees for me, so I can stop having these little bit of debris problems. But just want to give you a close up how the grass is looking. Look at that. Everything is very nice and thick, and I'm very satisfied how the grass is turning out. So now I'm about to get down this second dose of humic acid. Like I said before, I'm getting real aggressive on the humic acid this year. I want to see what it's going to do for my yard for a full season of me applying humic acid. And so far the grass is doing well, and also I'm prepping my yard for that summer heat, because we're about 2 weeks away for it to be summer. So you want to make sure your yard is prepped. The grass roots are nice and deep, and they can survive that summer drought, just in case if you go through a drought. I don't have a sprinkler system, so this is what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna actually get out here, probably hand water. I'll probably buy a little above ground watering thing, and let it run for about 30 minutes so I can get deep watering on them days that it don't rain. But if your grass has already been prepped for the summer heat and them roots are nice and deep, you shouldn't have any problem with burnout or anything like that. You want to make sure you just keep proper fertilization, and everything will be fine. Hopefully you guys can see the yard the way I'm seeing it. But let's get back over here, spread down the humic acid. Alright, so let's go ahead, get this bottle cracked open, put in my ortho sprayer like last time. I'm gonna fill it up 32 ounces, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just spread it all the way back. I'm gonna start at the far end of the yard and work my way to the back, just like I always explain to you guys, so you don't walk in your product. But let's go ahead and get it spread down. we go. Nice and full. All right, so here we go. Like we do before. Attach your hose in sprayer. Bugs everywhere, I hate that. Gotta do another bug treatment out here. But I got something coming also, so stay tuned for that. All right, so now we're full. So now, like I said, start at the back. Gonna work our way to the back to the platform so we don't walk in our product. So it's very simple, just like last time. Spray it, spray it, spray it till the bottle's empty, and then we just keep it moving. Like you see, it's that simple. I didn't spray much, but you get the picture. Just like last time, you're gonna spray it all down evenly across, and we're gonna keep on using this humic acid all season long. So stay tuned if you want to see the results. I appreciate you guys tuning into my videos. You're commenting on the videos. I like to try to interact with everybody. I'm making my personal mission to respond to everyone. So I truly appreciate that also. And I cracked the 1,000 subscriber mark. I definitely appreciate that. I got another video coming. Yeah, if you've seen that the post I did with the package, always remember, smile today. So stay tuned. I appreciate you guys once again, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the yard up, but we get the picture. If you want to see the previous video I shot on humic acid, it's I'm gonna actually link it down in the comment section or in the description, so you want to take a look at that. But this was just a little quick update video. There's no reason to show you everything. I just gave you a little glimpse at the yard to see how everything is working out, how everything is coming in. So like I said, stay tuned. I don't want to babble too much. Take care.